What's going on? Ankush Mittal here. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make up to $500 every single month. And I am also gonna to reveal how you can automate that business completely. That means you are making over 15 grand a month, literally without any skill and without any money. Okay? So if you are very much excited, smash the like button now. And if you are new to the channel, you will find videos related to business, related to making money online on this channel. So if you're into those things, you should go below the video and hit the subscribe button now. And after you subscribe, you can also comment like I have subscribed, so that I can really welcome you to the channel, because I am very much excited that you are now here. Okay, so now how you can make up to $1,000 every single day as complete broke, you do not have any money. Okay, what you need to do, just go to the Google and search over here like whatever the niche is, whether it's nutrition. I'm searching over make money online. Okay, make money online. Over here you will see there are tons and tons of blogs over here. Just reach out to any blog. For example, this is the blog, and you will see they are on the Facebook. Okay, they are, you can see over here they are here for, you can share it on Facebook and Twitter, Google Plus, but there is no Instagram some link or whatever it is. You can what you can do, you can send them an email, or here is a contact page. You can go and just contact them. Okay, just you'll absolutely gonna to find some of the thing on most of the pages. If it's not here, okay, if it's not here, then that might be a yeah, here is the page, contact us. What you can do, just contact us and tell them, hello sir, you are missing a lot of traffic, and how you can get the traffic. I'm gonna to do completely automate business for you on the instagram.com, on the Instagram, and you will be start, I'll be managing your Instagram account, and you will be start generating complete traffic on the autopilot. And you can also tell them like generally I charge about $1,000 for this, but I want to build my clientele. That's why I'm just gonna to charge over a $500 from this stuff from you. Okay, so he is gonna to be 90% of the owners are going to agree for this, because they know that Instagram is growing at a very fast pace. It is having millions and millions of active users. Okay, it's millions, not billions, but they will soon be reaching to the billions as well. Okay, so what you need to do, after you have reached it to them, you just need to manage their accounts. Just create an account for them. Just go and create an account for them. And after you create an account, you just need to do three things. Just follow others, about 120 people every single day, and you will see that 30 or 40 50% will follow them back. You can keep the link of their blog in the description over here, so that they will start generating traffic over here. And the second thing you can do, just go and like and comment other posts. Okay, just go and like and comment others posts. It will also generate a ton of traffic. And you also need to use the you can also use the popular hashtags in your niche. For example, if there is any kind of picture that has gone viral, just post it again, so that you will also start generating traffic, and your client will think that this is really a professional. Okay, you'll start generating a ton of traffic. Just like, let me just show you over here, whatever it is. We are gonna to go with the millionaire mentor, or just I have also one thing, just Tai Lopez. You can go to Tai Lopez. Just found the big accounts who are having a million following, a big following. Just copy their tags, and you can also copy the thing, whatever they're posting. If they are posting any good quote, you can just share it again and give credit to the owner. Just like over here, you can give credit to the Tai Lopez, because he is having a lot of engagement. And you will see that account will getting a ton of engagement, and within a month you will be having 10k followers. And you can, if you are gonna provide very good results, you can literally charge more to other clients by giving the testimonials given by your first 10 clients or whatever it is. Okay, so you, after you can that, you just need about 10 clients to make over a $5,000. And now how you can automate this business, there are lots and lots of Instagram bots over here. You will find tons and tons of bots. Okay, you just need to buy them, or even if there are lots of free stuff on the internet, you will find like Instagram auto followers, auto followers, Okay, it is automatically going to post everything whatever you want, automatically like and whatever it is. So you are making over 5 grand from the first one. But you can absolutely get about 20 to 30 clients. It's very easy because everyone want more traffic. Okay, you can see this is for free. 4 gram is for free. You can literally you can find all these things for free over here on the internet. Okay, so that was very easy to make over $500 every single day. You just need one client every single day and you will be making over a $500 every single day. And after some time you can charge over $1,000 when you will be having some kind of testimonials. Okay, so that's it guys. And if you want more videos like this, you can go and subscribe the channel now so that you do not miss any of videos. Okay, and do not forget to press the bell icon. And at last, thanks for watching.